Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze gold forecast for your next week gold trading. So last week my gold forecast video I was told that the gold price dropped to the 2300 level that has reached last Friday. So that is the accurate goals analysis forecast. My telegram link is below. You can join with accurate goal signals analysis and make good profit. So last week we made massive profit, our telegram group gold trading. So join with it. So let's see, the last Friday is the big red candle. You can see that I am in a daily chart. This is the red candle, bearish candle drop to the gold price in huge vertical drop. That is the reason for dollar demand. That's the strong of dollar. $100 gold price drop to the below side from 2386 to, that's the Friday start price is a 2386, and the last Friday in price is the 2294, and price dropped to the 2286 also. That's the $100 price drop to the below side gold vertical drop. Reason is the strong demand of dollar. So let's see the what are the reason for dollar demand. Yes, there's a first reason is a non-farm employment change data. Is the NFP data positive for US dollar? That's the FX Street website mentions this gold dives to the new monthly lows. That mentioned that the before NFP data gold drop pushed to the downside. That is reason for Chinese central bank, Chinese People's Bank sell off gold. That is the not buying gold and sell the gold. That is the reason for before NFP gold price to push to the downside. So you can see the NFP data about 200k, 275k, and average hourly earnings also positive. Unemployment rate but little bit increased to 4%, but labor data is positive for dollar. That is the strong demand. Dollar and gold push to the downside, and also US bond yield 10 yield is the increase to 4.3%. That is reason also dollar demand. So several reasons for yesterday last Friday dollar demand, and strong dollar demand gold push to the vertical drop to the below side. That is the power of US dollar. So this is the reasons. FX websites also mentions these reasons. What is the reason dollar demand? So next week, what are the important economic data? Let's see. This is the inflation yearly report is US CPI data yearly report in next week, and FOMC meeting is also in next week. You should start with that CPI data yearly report. 3.4 is the current inflation report, and Fed expect to 3.4 is the forecast, and the FOMC meeting 5.5 is the interest rate, Federal Reserve, and the forecast to post the interest rates in 5.5 next week. FOMC meeting is the more volatile economic event. US dollar next week also more volatile week regarding US dollar with the gold. So this is the Fed Watch Tool website. I am going to the June FOMC meeting interest rate forecast. 97% forecast to post the rate. That is almost 100%. So Fed post the rate on 5.5%, but I am thinking dollar not demand next week if the interest rate posts on 5.5. What is the reason is it has also priced into the market. So I am thinking not dollar demand next week. So I am thinking gold some push type retestment to the upside. I am hoping next week. This is the Fed Watch Tool website. I am always updating touch with this website for regarding interest rates. So let's see the technical analysis next week. What are your trade opportunities? I am going to the 4-hour chart. This is the price in strong support level. You can see this support level 2290 level. This is the strong support. You can see the left side chart price push to the upside from this level. So this is a strong support levels. Technically price some retracement to the upside again. I am hoping next week. So buy opportunity, wait for the retest. Wait for the retest for your sell trade next week. So I promise this is spot strong support level. I'm hoping price retest to the upside. So that is the technical info our chart goal. And what are the retest price area? Let's see that this is the trend line I am using. This trend line price also tested several times. So I am hoping price retest to this trend line and dropped again. This is the retracement, push to the again downside. That's I am hoping. So this is your sell opportunity. Wait for the retest. 2310 is the this retracement level. That has your sell opportunity again, but you should wait for the price retracement to the upside for get the trade. This is my first trade opportunity next week, and let's see the another retracement area. You can see that this support area become resistance. Support become resistance. Simple technically theory. This is the support area. This support can be resistance in this area. That's the your sell opportunity again. So this is the 2220 and 25 area. That is your sell opportunity next week. But wait for the confirmation and wait for the retest. Left side support become right side resistance. That's a simple technical theory. So I am using Fibonacci. What are the retracement level? This downside movement price can be retracement which levels next week. So I am happy. So this is the Fibonacci I am using. You can see 0.786 level. This is the first level. Price can be retracement area and dropped again. And again golden zone 0.618 zone is there. It is also price can be retracement and drop to the below side. This is the level. Then this level also become sell level, sell opportunity. This is support level in left side I mentioned previous, and it become resistance. And Fibonacci golden zone is there 0.05 level is can be retracement area. So I am hoping that is my next week. I am using Fibonacci, and you can join with my Telegram group for accurate gold trade signals and make good profit. So next week price retracement to the upside. That's a buy opportunity and sell off again. So do you want to sell? Wait for the retracement. So wait for the retracement for sell opportunity. So I'm hoping some retracement 2310 to 20 retracement levels to the upside next week. So risk management is the key for gold trading. Money management is key for gold trading. Thank you.